In our universe, information travels in two main ways. The first is analog. Analog signals are continuous signals that vary smoothly over time. These signals can take any value within a given range, creating a continuous waveform. Think of human speech, old cassette tapes, or the mercury rising in a thermometer. Then there's digital. Unlike the smooth curves of analog, digital signals are discrete, binary signals. They represent information using a series of discrete values, specifically 0 and 1. Usually 0 represents the absence of a signal or low voltage, while 1 represents the presence of a signal or high voltage. This is the language of modern computers, MP3s, and JPEGs. Let's understand the differences between analog and digital signals in a simple way. First, representation. Analog signals use continuous waveforms, while digital signals use discrete values like zeros and ones. Next, signal nature. Analog signals can have infinite possible values within a range. Digital signals, on the other hand, use limited discrete values. Now, noise susceptibility. Analog signals are more affected by noise and interference. Digital signals are more resistant to noise and maintain better quality. When it comes to transmission, analog signals degrade over long distances. Digital signals can travel longer distances with less degradation. For storage and reproduction, analog signals may lose quality during copying or storage. Digital signals can be copied and reproduced without losing quality. Talking about scalability, analog systems are not easily scalable. Digital systems are easily scalable and more flexible. In processing complexity, analog processing is often more complex. Digital processing is usually more straightforward and efficient. Examples of analog signals include analog audio signals and analog temperature readings. Examples of digital signals include digital audio signals and digital images. In short, analog signals are continuous and more sensitive to noise, while digital signals are discrete, reliable, and widely used in modern technology. While analog is natural, digital is reliable. Digital signals are easily scalable and much simpler for computers to process. Because they only care about on or off. They can transmit data across the globe with perfect clarity. From the analog sound of your voice to the digital data on your phone, understanding these signals is the key to our connected world.